What's up, y'all? Today we are back in another video. How's y'all day? My name is NBA Baby. What about yours? I'm having a great day today, and we're on the road to 20 subscribers, y'all. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Banger! We're back on another banger. We're doing another collection. It's like nighttime. What time is it? It's like 12:18. It's 12:18, y'all. So I better hurry up. Okay, first is the 1911. Ooh, this is not real. You remember that I said it was real? I lied. But the mag is real. What the heck is just stuff? Oh, here's the thumbnail. No, I'm just joking. This is not a thumbnail. Editor, do not put on there. Now we're going with this baby. Oh, this is gonna be a thumbnail like this. Bro, that is a thumbnail like this. There we go. Okay. Now, alright, I'm just looking down. Like that. That's a thumbnail. Anyways. Oh, this. Lights up. This is shooting. This used to be, well, this is my favorite toy. All these are my favorite toys. Alright, now we're going back to the revolver. Kinda hard. You need to shoot with this finger. It'll be powerful. It'll be powerful. But it's a revolver. Thing comes out. Just keep going. It's hard. Alright. Next up. Toilet paper gun. And this little young boy. I customized it. This. Even this. Even this. My YouTube channel name. All it says is NBA Baby. That's all. I put attachments on there too. Shout out to Kev, Kayla's, Chadwell Clay, and Egop. Kevin, I'm going to your house. I don't know when, but I think we're going to New York. But yeah, orange tip. You can take it off and you can shoot it right there. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Now next. I just found the mag, y'all. Just like earlier. Yeah, this is a big boy. I almost said thumbnail. He's a big boy. That no bullets in there. Clear. Hold up. Yeah, clear. Clear. He's a big boy. I put some attachments on there. So I wish I could just put a. Oh, I am. I'm gonna put a laser on there. If I don't want it on my Glock. No, because I'm gonna put a flashlight on it. I'm gonna put a flashlight on it. On this. Alright, now we got this one. Hold up. I'll come right back. Okay, I'll be back. We clear? Yep. We clear. Dang, that literally hurt my ears. Alright. Yo, I don't think it's clear. I think it's clear. Ooh. You've never seen this before, ever. Hey, watch out! I'm driving. Watch out, guys. Oh, was it clear? Yo, replay that flow is clear. Yo, replay that. Replay the video. What's it loaded? 5 minutes. Yeah. That's the end of the vlog. Love y'all. I'm having a fake money. A fake money.
This is really bad. One frame per.
Did you call it? How to make fake money video. Check on my channel. I don't know if there's a video of how to make fake money. I deleted the other one, but I don't know what the other one is. But y'all, and next time I'm gonna knock down that wasp thing, not wasp nest off. Well, not off of my window, but like it's like beside of my window. I'm not gonna break my glass window. I'm gonna just throw it at it, and it won't break. Yeah, I'm gonna have this. And if y'all want some drawings, come to my house or my window. If I get to be hyped down, then I will.
Hold on.
It opens. Like I don't really wake up until 8, but it says it's open to 8 to something. I think it says to 5, 4 or 5. I don't know. But yeah.
Enough mess around. Let's do this. Okay, so vehicle.
But it's the end of the vlog, y'all. I love y'all. My name is NBA Baby Clock Gang 77. What about yours? Like and comment and subscribe. If y'all want me to hit some more bangers. I know the other ones wasn't a banger, because I didn't even say it. But let me pause that, bro. It's annoying. Anyways. What? Bro, I need to pause it or something. Hold up.